Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I am back with part 2 of this Mega Drop Shop order. I had gotten 3 boxes for $20, and I got a couple other items also, but I was opening the boxes. I had this little box that I opened and showed you everything in there, and then I started to open this box, and the video was getting too long, so I decided to stop it, and I have 1.5 boxes to open. So I had just put this on my hand. This is from the Ciate London Shadow Flip. And after I turned off the camera, I don't know if I can see the shifting in this is incredible. I was gonna wash it off to start filming again, but I don't know if you can see all that shifting. Fantastic. So I'm excited about that product. I don't really use a liquid eye shadow, but I'm going to. All right, there's 2 more products in this May 2021 base box, and let's see what they are. And the values on these boxes are just incredible. I will put that all like in the title or the description or something. I got 2 more products. This is the My Daily Dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift. This is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serum from Japan. This is Skin Ink. I believe I have this or have had it. $65 value. I think it came packaged differently when I got it. I did not love it myself. It's really cool to look at, but see how that is? It's beautiful. See the balls in there and everything, and it's glass. It's gorgeous to look at, y'all. Gorgeous. But for me, it's more of a gel product, and it's probably a perfectly fine product, but my skin needs oil-based or not water-based, not gel products. I mean, sometimes I can use the gel products like in the summer, but not for every day, and this is just really cool. And these beads are different colors too. It's so pretty. It's the kind of thing that you could sit and watch TV and play with it, but I won't play with it. I'll put it in a giveaway most likely. It is sealed. That's nice. It has a very nice seal on it. So you have to break that seal to get in, and I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess it up for somebody else. And then there is the Murad Moisture Hydrator Environmental Shield. Murad is a fantastic product, and this is probably way high priced. $74. This box was at one time $25 probably, and this is valued at a couple $100 here, I think. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Okay, Murad is fantastic. Let me open it and show you the box. It's beautiful, of course. Okay, so this is how it is, very nicely packaged. This is one of these lids like this. This goes like this, and what you do with this is you squeeze down on this, and it pumps up. The product pumps up right there, and then you just use, so that way you don't overuse. You take just what you need. And these kind of jars, everything comes out of here. I've used these jars before, and when you think, okay, I'm done, let me get the last bit of it out, and you take it all apart, it's completely clean, like you washed it out inside. Fabulous item. Love it, love it, love it. And that is the remainder of the second box. You'll have to see part 1 to see everything else. And then I have this box. So these 3 boxes were $20. I did spend $25 with the other products I got. I showed you in the last video. So I cut that open. It has some same products in there, which is fine because it is the same. It's the Flourish, which is May. I knew I was getting 2 May 2021 boxes. This is version 112. The other one was version 132. So there will be something different in here. So in this box, we have the Skin Ink again. There's that beautiful product in there. And we also have the Murad again. So wonderful products. And then let's see. And then we have different products in here. Okay. Let me take them out and we'll see what we have. Now I lost my, okay. So the Murad is $74. The Skin Ink is $65. And then we have Trestique. This is a brow pencil and brow gel in Mocha. Trestique is a nice brand. Smudge is over here. Looks like he's going to cause me some trouble. Okay, this is a refillable brow pencil and gel, $26. It's a new launch with Boxycharm. Let's see what that looks like in there. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like. That's, I don't know, y'all. That's got to be a cap on there. Yeah, I was going to say that's got to be a cap. Okay, here's how it opens. Okay, that is nice. That's a nice, you know, see how it's like a triangle shape for your brows. I don't use things like this, so that will go in a future giveaway. Very nice, though. Very nice product. Smudge, what are you doing? Okay. All right, and next we have, this is Sophia and Mabel. This is a hydrating hybrid, it says. This is valued at $15. It's a lippy, okay? Lipstick and lip balm in one, it says. So, let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, how pretty is that? It's funny when you see things. I don't remember this last year, and I was getting Boxy that long. This is beautiful. This is one of those that you can see inside. You can see your bullet lipstick, and it's in this gorgeous pink lucite. And that is a gorgeous dark color. Let's see, did I see the name of it anywhere? It's got to be on here somewhere. It looks like a chocolate brown to me. Maybe a little, see, it's hard to tell sometimes with the ring light, but when I hold it there, I can see a little bit of purpley going on, but when I look at it, it's more mocha. Let me close it so I don't damage it. Put that back on and see if there's no name to the color. That's weird. Well, no, I'm seeing something now. Now I'm seeing something. Super duper tiny. Where is the magnifying glass? I may have to stop and find it, y'all. Why isn't that right here? Here it is. It's right. It is right here. Smudge was knocked a few things over. All right. Can you see a label on there? Yeah. Okay. It is. Oh my goodness. Even with the label, it says Weekend Getaway. Okay, that's the name of the color. It's gorgeous. It's dark. I don't know that I would use it because it's so dark, but it's so pretty. It makes me want to use it. It probably would look nice on me. Probably would. I have a lot of dark lipsticks already, so I'm not sure. At the moment, I'm going to put it back in the package. So you may see it in a future giveaway. And then I have a palette. So this is Cab. And this, did I tell you this was valued at $15? This is valued at $52. It is a new launch, it says. Now, I don't know if that means that must be for Cab and not for BOXY, because we've had Cab products in BOXY before. So a new launch a year ago, it says Night Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, this is the Day and Night. Cab Cosmetics. Okay, hang on. This is so funny because I'm pretty sure somebody just asked me if I had this palette. You know, why don't I have things right here? Y'all, I drive myself crazy. Okay. Oh, see, I'm ruining it. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'm breaking the box and I don't want to. Because I'm pretty sure a friend just asked me if I had this and I said, no, I just gave it away. No, this might not be it. Okay. Cab Cosmetics. Let's see. Oh, maybe this is it, y'all. Oh, this is gorgeous. Now, I did give this away. I've had this before. And why did I give it away? Because it's beautiful. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. Absolutely stunning. I think I gave it away because there's all these terracotta-ish ones that I would never use. But a lot of these shimmers I would definitely use. And I love the lilacs. They're beautiful. It's called Day to Night, or Day Plus Night is what it says on it. You can see it's in black, Day and Night. Anyway, this was $20 for all three of these boxes. Now, to see it all, you'd have to go back and see part 1 and then part 2. So $20. Yeah, I paid $1.99 shipping or handling, whatever they call it. They don't call it shipping. You get free shipping. But I can use so many of these things. Like I said, I have a friend that was asking me about this palette. I'm pretty sure this is the one. If they don't mind that I just rip the box a little bit. Some of these things I will use and some of these things I won't. You know, like this I'm not going to use, but I'll put this in a giveaway because this is a very nice product, as is the Murad. You know, I mean, all of these products are great. So I think the value is phenomenal. If you get a chance to get those kinds of things, they don't always have them. Usually every sale, I'm still looking at this, y'all, too. Usually every sale with Boxycharm, they have a sale every month. They do have previous boxes on sale. The base box they usually will sell for the $25, maybe it's $28 now, for like the regular price. Then they have a premium boxes, they have luxe boxes that are around the same price that you would pay originally. Sometimes they have them reduced $5 or $10, sometimes. But every so often they have these mega kind of things. It's not always on the Mega Drop Shop. Sometimes they have like 10 boxes for $199. I've never gone that far. You know, Lois, Life with Lois has bought those packages before, and it's loaded with products, loaded. Excuse me, but this time they usually would have these kinds of things at a $50, $60, $75 pricing. Might have to stop. But this was, I just happened to catch it, like probably within minutes of it going up. It was a daily deal. They had 3 boxes for $20, 3 boxes for $30, different types of boxes. The 3 boxes for $30, I don't think I'm going to get it because it doesn't have a tracking. It was a base box, a luxe box, and a premium box. So another fabulous deal. No matter what's in it, even if I can use nothing in there, it's going to be a fabulous deal. So, but you just have to really watch the sales. So anyway, y'all, I'm in love with this going on. Can you see burgundy and gold? And oh my goodness, I love it. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got in the Mega Drop Shop. And if I get that other package, you'll be the first to know. I'm going to keep on BOXY to try to get them. You know, they'll give me a refund, but I don't want a refund. I want those 3 boxes. So y'all, take care, count your blessings, and have a great day. Bye-bye.